Okay, good morning, Don here from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Today we're going to do something different. I got 3 jobs. I got a mobile house wash this morning, then another mobile house wash, and then I have a 3-car driveway. My videos have been going on and on and on, long, 35, 40 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and bust them up. Each job's going to be a video. Let's try it that way, and let me know what you guys think about this format, and leave your comments. Thank you, and get after it. You know what I was thinking? I was thinking we didn't have enough suds yesterday, and all the fun wasn't there, you know? Okay. We're gonna add some more sticky icky and have a soapy sudsy day. Get after it. Hey, Don here. We're at job number 1. There's the rig. Look at that water flow. Look at this driveway. Boy, this thing needs to be cleaned up. It's been about 1.5 years since I've done this job. It's a regular customer. Look how dirty this is, huh? You can see this dirt from the road. That's dirty. And you can see it, look. See, I'm backing away, you can see that dirt. All right, it's all moldy all the way down. Let's go around this way. We're gonna start the job right here. We're gonna go that way. Rinse our way back around. Get back here, get all this stuff cleaned up. This is gonna be a red deck when we're done. Believe it? You believe it? And we'll get the back. That's some mold down there at the bottom. Not too bad. Mold on the stairs. Let's go ahead and give that deck a nice wash. Got mold growing down here. Mold everywhere, huh? This is Florida. That's why you want to be a pressure washer. Look at this mold. Mold build up around the AC unit down there. We'll get this puppy cleaned up. All right, all the windows are closed. Come around the front, get all this done. All right. Let's let the games begin. Get after it. Okay, you can already see the brightness. Look at that. See that? All you gotta do is rinse all that off. I can still see a faint little bit of dirt. See it? Just gotta rinse it off real good. Ceiling's coming out nice. All that ceiling there, all that stuff along there. Coming out groovy. All right, let's motor on down the other side. Around to the back as far as we can go. Then we'll come back around, rinse everything else off, and go down the other side and we'll be done. Very quick job. But it helps having the equipment. That's what makes you quick. It's not me, it's the equipment. Well, I know how to use the equipment. That helps. All right, let's get after it. Let's have a look around the back here. All this is nice and clean. The AC is clean. Around the back here, it was extremely moldy out back. Remember it? Okay? Right there. Mold be gone. All right, now we're gonna go around the front, knock out the driveway. Then we're gonna come down the side over there, get around that little nook, clean those little red pavers back there, and call it a day. Then we'll be off to the next one. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a final review. Look at that. Driveway looks good. Pearly white. A little bit of discolor still right here. Anyway, these pavers can only do so much with them. Everything else looks good. Nice and clean. Told you, look at that, they're red. You didn't believe me, did you? All this stuff is nice and clean. Now the homeowner's going to get out here with a bug sprayer and spray some straight chlorine on all these rocks. I taught him that trick a while back, so I'm not interested in doing the service. I'd be here all day long. We probably wouldn't be able to afford that. But anyway, came out nice. Nice picket white fence. Uh-oh, there's a spot right there. Better go and get me my bug sprayer. All right, that's a wrap. We'll see you at the next job.